It's been a really fascinating day full of interesting insights, and particularly for me, the importance of research communications and how that can help our institutions with recruitment and showcasing the impact that we have and how that can help the university's reputation more broadly.
It's just been a really nice opportunity to meet people who are kind of involved in science and research communications, but more, say, a policy standpoint where I'm more media. So it's been really nice to just exchange ideas, hear, about some of the issues that we all face within the sectors that we're in.
I really like the breadth of subjects that were on offer today, and in particular the SEO breakout session. For me that was really interesting because it's really useful to get the SEO right on those headlines so that journalists can find our academics and can ask to interview them. So today's been really useful.
I always enjoy coming to the Conversation Exchange for the networking. I've met some great people. I thought the session today, the first one, all on about how to use research for student recruitment, is something that we've been doing at the business school but want to do more of. So it was great to see all the different campaigns. I've got some ideas going from that. Podcast discussions, and also how to mitigate trolling, I think was also really important.
I actually found it really interesting in the first session, learning about how the research communications can really help drive student recruitment. It's because I've worked in student recruitment before, so I think it's something that I'd be really interested in exploring more when we get back, and seeing how we can help drive, because it's a major thing for the uni.
One of my favourite things about the Exchange Conference is the discussions. They are quite conversational, and the Q&As were the best part, as per usual. Good conversations, good dialogue, and different angles represented on the panel, representatives, different perspectives.
It was really interesting in terms of how we can support our academics and researchers to engage more with the conversation, get those figures up, get them driving and get the research out there, and encourage them to take part and take that leap into getting their articles published on the Conversation as well.